Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today we want to present for subject science and technology. We choose topic how does the plant grow. So hello and welcome back to our presentation. Let me introduce myself once again. My name is NOOR ROSLI and this is my group members SITI NURSHAFIKAH, ELVIKAH, SUZANNE, VENEALY and lastly THRYSHA. So for introduction to how do the plants grow. During photosynthesis, plants take the water from the soil and the carbon dioxide from the air and they make sugar out of it. Plants have the right balance of water, sunlight and nutrients. The cell grow and divide and the world plants get bigger and bigger, and that's how plants grow. As you can see, we have 4 important things for growing plants. Firstly, water, sunlight, soil, and lastly, space.
Water. Plants need water for photosynthesis. Absorbed by the roots, water travels through a plant stem to the chloroplast in the leaf. Water also helps more nutrients from the soil into the plant. Too little water can cause a plant to wilt or drop. Too much water can cause a plant roots to rot. How does water affect plant growth? If a plant cell has too much water, the roots can rot, and the plant cannot get enough oxygen from the soil. If there is not enough water for a plant, the nutrient it needs cannot travel through the plant. A plant cannot grow if it does not have healthy roots. So the proper balance of the water is the key when growing plants. How do water help plants? Nutrients. Nutrients are drawn from the soil and used by the plant. Without enough water in the soil, the plant will drop. So water helps plants to stand upright. Water carries dissolved sugar and other nutrients through the plant. So without the proper balance of water, the plant not only is malnourished, but it is also physically weak and cannot support its own weight.
Sunlight. Why plants need sunlight to grow? Plants need sunlight to germinate well and grow to survive. It uses energy from sunlight to perform the process of photosynthesis and makes its own food. So, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a keyword associated with the need of light to plants. Through this process, plants produce food from the light energy. Through the process of photosynthesis also, plants will draw carbon dioxide from the air and produce oxygen for other living things. How much sunlight does a plant need? Most plants need bright light at least 4 hours of direct sunlight per day to get good growth because the difference in light intensity between open place is very significant. Effect on plants if not getting enough light. Insufficient light can cause plants to grow thin and long, leaves turn yellow and less green. The effect of lack light can be clearly seen at the time of seed germination, where insufficient light causes the seedling to be thin and long.
Air is one of the basic needs of plants. Plants need air to breathe and make their own food. In the air, there are 2 main components that needed by plants, namely carbon dioxide and oxygen. So, how does the plant turn air into something? So basically, carbon dioxide is used to produce their own food, and oxygen is needed during the process of respiration and during the process of converting food into energy. Now, what are other things that plants do to carbon dioxide? So, basically, plants turn carbon dioxide that we breathe out into something that called oxygen that we breathe in. Fact: although air is no need to be provided because it is already available from the earth source, but there are some related things such as plant aeration that need to be ensured adequate. Dirty air caused by smoke, gases, and other pollutants can be harmful to plants. Polluted air also blocks sunlight, which is necessary for the health of plant growth as well. Poor ventilation also can cause fungal growth on plants. Apart from that, make sure the plant has well ventilation, such as putting them in a place that has airflow, as well as clean and fresh air.
Soil. What helps plants grow besides water and nutrients? Soil, of course. Although we cannot see them, plants have roots under the soil. Healthy soil is extremely important for plants. As you can see, the light brown strings are the roots, and the brown dirt is the soil. Plants need minerals found in soil for healthy growth. Nutrients are minerals that plants use to make their food. Soil provides roots with water and nutrients, which is then transported to the rest of the plant for plants to grow big, strong, and healthy, just like you and me. In addition to essential nutrients found in the soil from organic matter or microorganisms, soil provides an anchor for plants' roots and helps support the plant. Just like the trees you see outside and the flowers, they all have their own root system under the soil. So remember, without any water or soil, there won't be roots, and without roots, there won't be plants.
Last is space. Why? Plant needs suitable space. It is because plant needs suitable space for the process of photosynthesis, because plants need water, light, air, and the last is soil. That's why plant needs suitable space. Next this is about a suitable place for the plant. They have two. It is outdoor. In the outdoor, they have an outdoor courtyard, and then in the garden. While in the indoor they have two. It is at a balcony and at the windows. We can put the plant in the outdoor or indoor. This is a benefit of the plant in the right space. First is plant become fertile, and number two is that can make a balance in nature, and the last is providing a source of oxygen to respiration. So that's all for our group. Thank you.